Hi, my name is Iya, and this is my sister Fiona and our friend Dale. We were born in the Philippines in Cebu, but we grew up in Texas. Now that we're out of school and now that we got everything out of the way, got some money saved up, we figured what a perfect opportunity to explore the motherland. This is the Texas Cebuanos 5-day trip around the island. Our trip started with a 6-hour bus ride. This was 2 hours more than expected, but it was alright since we needed rest from our outing last night. And riding the series bus with the sketchiest bathroom stops made me wish they had a Buc-ee's here. Anyways, day 1 is exploring the area and trying out food. Bro, we only have junk food in here. We got the food groups for snacks. Salty, sweet, and clean. What is it?
Chocolate marshmallows.
Hey, I haven't had this since I was little.
Oh my god! Ready? Oh my.
Okay, give us an authentic reaction. Authentic reaction.
Ready? I haven't had this since
Girl, what? Right here. Just keep on. It has a taste to it, but I like the texture. Let's see if it's as good as I remember it. Very nostalgic. It has a weird aftertaste.
It's kind of yummy though.
Or maybe we just grew up and realized that this is not that good. Maybe we just got a whole bag of it now.
On a scale of 0 to 10, how good is it?
It's pretty fire.
8.
Nice.
Plain is best.
Spicy.
Yeah, you should try it.
It's about.
Your turn.
I'm good.
It's good, right?
That is actually really good. I just can't look at it. Just bite into it.
Yeah.
There you go.
You did it.
I thought it was gonna be
salt in there.
I thought it was gonna be crunchy. That's why I was scared.
We ended the night with Filipino barbecue and puso. This was a real treat because we weren't allowed to eat street food growing up. And they also don't have this in Texas, so we ate our heart out. The sun rises fast in the Philippines, so for day 2, we woke up at 6 a.m. to go whale shark watching. Along the way, we befriended a stranger, and her name is Anne. She's a solo traveler with an appetite for adventure. Anne, are you ready to swim with the sharks?
I'm actually a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
Really good. I'm excited. I mean, right now I don't feel nervous, but I feel like once I see it, I'm gonna be like, oh my god. We're doing it. We're swimming with the sharks.
I don't know if this will fit my face.
Dale, how are you feeling? Oh, that's not the mouth? It's so cute! Oh, it's like, oh my god, they're so close. Who's going first? Pwede na?
Pwede naman, pwede kayo naman.
Let's go! After waltzing with the whale sharks, we ate brunch at a Tapsilogan to re-energize for our next destination. Tumalog Falls. Salamat! Wow!
of 10.
Very good.
The water was so refreshing. So cold, so tignaw. Tugnaw. Yeah. At first it was too cold, but now that the sun's out, felt good. Felt good.
We actually completed our excursion around Oslob by noon, so for the rest of the day we took it easy and got proper rest before we left for Moalboal at 4 a.m. the next day. That was also the last time we saw Anne, and we didn't get a chance to exchange contact information, but hopefully one day we meet again and exchange stories of our travels. We stationed ourselves in front of the 7-Eleven to wait for the Sirius bus to arrive, which passes by in intervals of 30 minutes. But the 30 minutes turned to almost an hour and a half, so we decided to approach the black van that was conveniently parked across the street from us. And the taxi driver offered us a really great deal, so we took it. I just stayed awake the entire time just to make sure they weren't a crazy person and we'd all get there safe. But luckily they were only a little bit crazy. The man was just on a mission to get us there, and we arrived in just 2 hours, which was actually 4 hours earlier than we expected to check in. So we were stranded at a beach until then.
You peasant!
Yeah, he definitely wants to do this.
Alright, we'll just order a tricycad. We'll meet you there.
Okay, bye.
Okay. So, ladies first, ikaw una. Magdala mo sa imong chinelas.
Yeah! Lagi! Ikaw sabi?
Oh my god. Oh! Whoa. Oh! That's cold. 3, 2, 1!
3, 2, 1!
Ikaw sa!
Ikaw! No worries.
Come here! Oh my goodness.
Pero kan diri, dito lang diri. Moro gina dira.
Murag may agianan na padung gawas. Lain na sang agianan.
Tignaw!
O naman sa mga agi.
Bakit? Nagdalag daw
Ay, mas lang di mo gida. Yung tatay mas. Kita ka to? Ikaw saan ba?
No, because I'm libat. Almost there.
Almost to the end of the... Whoa.
Wow, look at the calcification. More blue. What cave? Busan?
Okay na mo?
Yeah. Okay. We look like 3 monkeys. Ooh, monkey. Fiona, don't. Just use this.
Kunit mo.
That's what I hold.
Kunit mo kay... It's a climb. Kunit lagi. Y'all are pushing against me. I'm holding all your weight.
No, Fiona, I'm not moving at all because I'm anchored. I'm anchored by my. I'm anchored by the edge of the sea.
Dead ass you are.
Well, naturally, do you know how gravity works?
Yeah, so don't get mad at me
When
when I'm
squeeze your thighs.
Okay, I'm
What the fuck? Don't squeeze my ass.
You got one?
2:45 was the time we left our hotel to chase the sunrise at the highest peak of Cebu. We made a very quick stop at 7-Eleven for some Shoutout and then we booked it. We were thankful that we had Kuya Eric, our tour guide, to guide us because it was a very windy road.
Oh my gosh. We're just jumping straight into this. Oh. It's a Stairmaster on steroids. The sun doesn't of rest. So, but I should give it a shot.
No, we don't. Okay. Whoa. Kinsa. Kanta si Fiona. Look at Ia, she's tired.
You push football now. You did it. I should have stretched. I know. I should have you. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Fiona and I saw like this millipede, it kind of looked like a snake. And a bunch of snails. And so we're snails. Let's go. Okay, let's go. We still have a long way to go. Wow. That definitely felt a lot more than Guzman Peak. Okay, we made it to the top of Casito Peak. Wow, that side is Oslob. That's where we just came from.
Hey, this is what my dad had to cross the mountains, the 100 miles that they have to cross.
Go to school. Yeah.
Just to take a bath, get some water, you know?
Just to cook rice. Wow. Even this view, this isn't the highest part, but this is gorgeous. My legs are shaky. Do you want to take a break?
Go. We're almost done. Let's get breakfast. Go.
You point to where we
We
climbed
climbed
up.
up the mountain that my parents have always been talking about.
Ready?
All the way up there to this peak.
To the flag. Take nothing but pictures.
Saan mo na pag-visit?
Pag picture lang,
Mag-picture lang.
bilin lang o
Bilin lang
kanang
tag-
footprints.
Kanang lama sa tiil.
Oh, lama sa tiil niya. Feel nating bad time.
Oh, I can hear the falls. Wow. That is where you start. Oh my god. Yeah, this is like jumping off the
so
bridge when we
deep.
went to Austin.
This is way higher.
Fuck. How are you feeling, Fiona?
Okay lang.
Our first jump, we're going big. There's an option to go small, but we're not in no scaredy cats.
Yeah, go big or go home.
Hamba ka o di?
Can I go?
Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Jump!
Pwede na?
Pwede na dre.
Okay, first jump. Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, one. Okay, hold. 1, 2. Wait, he's still swimming.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, go!
Oh my god. Okay, we did it, guys.
First jump, big one too.
Okay.
Wait, hit it from here.
I think I took out 2-3 feet off mine though. The real deal. Our warm up was earlier as Menu Peak. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Yo, hulat sa! Hulat!
Don't touch it! Don't touch the camera!
This is the highest.
Biggest jump.
This is the highest jump, right?
I wish I didn't know that.
1, 2, 3, go! Jump!
My helmet came off. Go, Fiona!
Don't say it.
We underestimated the length of the canyoneering course, and there was a certain point where we were absolutely delirious. I was thankful I had my 8 hours of sleep in the day before because it was such a high energy day. With a rush of excitement, we jumped every cliff, didn't skip out on any leaps, and we pushed ourselves through the entirety of the course.
Last jump.
she said press the gas. Press the gas when you turn on the car.
It was hard to believe that the last day came so soon. I know this trip is one of a kind because I'm young enough to explore my country with such childlike wonder and excitement, but old enough to deeply appreciate the adventures of each day. There were moments where I pushed myself outside the comfort zone, and I'm glad that I had great company to share these amazing memories with.
We look like superheroes. The Esper Saldia. No.
My mind, my heart, my body and my soul. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted. You're everything I
So
wanted.
beautiful. Did you see the sardines? I saw you were up there.
So good.